Introduction of Hanan Medispa. You know that Medispa Beauty Center is dedicated to enhancing global aesthetic. Dr. Hanan Yusuf established Hanan Medispa in 2012, focusing on various beauty treatments such as body slimming, acne and pigmentation treatment, and natural facial rejuvenation. Hanan Medispa take pride in offering 9 exclusive Hanan Medispa signature therapies meticulously crafted to address ASEAN skin condition. These therapies are supported by state-of-the-art equipment imported from Korea and the USA, known for their clinical effectiveness in resolving a wide range of skin issues. Moreover, Hanan Medispa features an extensive range of cosmetic and skincare products uniquely formulated by Hanan Cosmetic. The product cater to the specific needs of every skin type. Presently, Hanan Medispa has expanded in its presence in Malaysia and operates a network of 70 outlets across the country. Hanan Medispa location, we conducted the interview, which is situated at the headquarters in Jalan Ampang, Business Complex Alustar, and our interviewer, Rosalie Ernie Binti Rosalie, hold the position of Human Resource Management at Hanan Medispa HQ Alustar. Description of the organization product and service. Customer who require face beauty care service may count on Hanan Medispa to give them the best treatment possible. They think that providing their consumer with high quality service will help the business continue to expand. Additionally, Medispa's utilization of high-tech equipment imported from Korea and the US will speed up recuperation and enhance their clients' attractiveness. In addition, Hanan Cosmetic offered the greatest skincare product that are created to the skin type and issue of the client and guarantees that the components used in the skincare product are of the higher caliber. The product of Hanan Medispa is acne set, cleanser, serum, and whitening set, and we have a moisturizer, hair care set, face mask cosmetic such as foundation compact powder, and supplement retinol. And for the service of Hanan Medispa signature treatment, Hanan Medispa is signature treatment using different function and type of peeling solution face mask, and we have a scar laser, body slimming, and body massage. That's all. The mission and vision of the organization. For the vision of the Hanan Medispa is to become a beauty company by reaching 100 million sales target in 2026. And the further mission is become a beauty and health service center, Medispa, hair spa, clinic, and pharmacy, providing proven beauty and health service with the best customer service and full of love, helping customer gain self-confidence, live a healthy and happy life, and they want to make the world farm for the good of this world and the hereafter.
Hi, my name is Nur Ali Nabila Binti Rosti. My mention number is 2797. So I will present about the job description and specification for the position. So human resources managers function as the connection between the needs of the workforce and also the needs of employer. So they act as intermediary roles for employees and their employers. Therefore, our group has interviewed a human resources manager from Hanan Medispa headquarters in Alustar. So we were able to gather information on job description and specification for the human resources manager. So as a human resources manager, they must interview new candidates to fill vacant position. The interview has to follow the company interview standard operating procedure (SOP). And then human resources manager must also provide training and coaching to new employees as well as an employee whose performance is underperformance. And then human resources manager needs to provide counseling on policies and procedure to employee. And then human resources manager must report new employee information to the accounting department. And then human resources manager must supervise payroll employees using the company human resources system. As a human resources manager, they also need to make submission staff salaries and commission. And lastly, human resources manager must update employee attendance in report on a daily and monthly. Next, I will explain about the current practice of performance appraisal system for the job at Hana Medispa. So, as a result of the interview, we learned that there existing practice in terms of performance appraisal system for employee in Hana Medispa company is that employee performance would be reviewed based on their performance as recorded by the database department on a daily and monthly report. So with this reporting system, management may monitor the performance of all employees, including the operational division. So the performance evaluation in this reporting system is also based on the percentage of key performance indicator (KPI) that the employee must achieve. So employee who meet a high percentage of KPI will be awarded for their performance. So it shows that the management of this company will solely evaluate employee performance based on their percentage of KPI achieved. Next, for the suggestion on how to improve the performance appraisal system at Hana Spa, so is to develop a more effective performance management system. The purpose of this effective system is to standardize how organizations manage and share the employee performance evaluation data. This method could assist organizations in scheduling employee performance evaluation meetings. This method also benefits the organization to keep track of employee strengths, flaws, and potential. So employee self-service portal are one of the effective systems that should be included in the organization. This employee self-service portal, for example, includes elements such as employee registration and updates, employee time and attendance, employee training and learning, access to handbooks, procedures, employee performance management, health resources, policies, and organizational culture information about the company. So with this implementation of an employee self-service portal in the performance management system, the process of integrating and tracking all employee data and performance may be efficient. The following suggestion is to create feedback into a continuous process. Constant feedback is required for the organization to evaluate employee performance successfully. Based on the finding of the interview, Hana Medispa only create an employee evaluation system only for them to share. Therefore, the continuous feedback performance management methods deliver more current data on employee performance and overall company strategies. Employee productivity and ability to reach goals may improve with specific and comprehensive goal attainment techniques, as well as continuous and timely feedback. So, organizations should establish feedback requirements such as providing accurate and unbiased feedbacks, identifying factors for improvement, establishing organizational goals for improvement and how the organization plans to assist employees in meeting them, and ultimately encouraging employees to give the feedback. As a result, this continuous feedback will provide an effective flow of input, assisting employees in understanding the needs of the company and allowing the organization to effectively evaluate employee performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so now we move into performance appraisal system. A competency-based performance appraisal system is an in-depth method to look at employees' work. It checks to see if an employee has mastered certain skills related to their job. Compared to the subjective method used in the past, this is a more objective way to evaluate an employee. This system helps improve performance management, employee development, and talent search by shifting the focus from intangible qualities to measurable competencies. Managers and HR professionals can use this system to find areas for training and development, which leads to continuous improvement and better business result. So for Hanan Medispa HQ, they could use a competency-based performance appraisal system to get a full and objective picture of how well each employee is doing their job. The goal of the system is to evaluate the manager's work, suggest ways to improve, and find trouble spots in the organization. So this is the step on how to conduct a performance appraisal. So the first step is establishing objective and performance expectation. The managers need to define a clear objectives and performance expectation, including criteria such as work quality, quantity, dependability, and initiative. This provides employees with a framework for understanding their roles, expectations, and foster accountability. The second step is self-assessment. So the human resource manager need to complete a self-assessment document needs. This process promotes self-reflection and commitment to personal performance improvement. So the third step is written evaluation. So the managers need to assess employee skills and performance using predetermined criteria, evaluating criteria such as output, quality, teamwork, communication, problem solving, and adherence to company policies. This structured evaluation ensure fairness and objectivity in the process and employers help employees identify our areas for improvement and receive recognition for their work. The last step is one-on-one discussion. Managers have individual conversation with employees to discuss the evaluation results. This meeting provides an opportunities for open and constructive discussion, highlight success, positive characteristic, and area for improvement. Recommendation for addressing weaknesses, such as training and development opportunities, are also provided. So by following all these steps, the organization can effectively evaluate employee performance, identify areas for growth, and make informed decisions regarding promotion, training, and recognition.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amar. The national date, my metric number is 287154, and I will present about the competency to measure. First is technical skill. Technical skill play a critical role in delivering high quality service at Hana Medispa Utara. This skill encompass job specific tasks like message, technique, and skincare treatment. Assessing, assessing technical skill is done through the demonstration, observation, and evaluation. Expertise in the technical skill is essential for the providing exceptional service and ensure the customer satisfaction. Second is adaptability and flexibility. Adaptability and flexibility are crucial competency at the Hana Spa Utara due to the dynamic nature of the spa and the wellness industry. Employee needs to be able to embrace change effectively, handle the unexpected situation, and adapt their approach accordingly. The third competency to be measured is professionalism and ethics. Professionalism and ethics play a vital role in maintaining integrity and upholding high standard at Hana Medispa Utara. This competency encompass behavior that promote trust and respect among the employees, clients, and stakeholders. Assessment methods such as SES assessment, ethical dilemma, and policy compliance help measure the professionalism and ethics. Lastly is interpersonal skill. Assessment method for evaluating interpersonal skill include feedback, peer evaluation, and team evaluation. These skills are vital for promoting teamwork, fostering open communication, and ultimately contributing to customer satisfaction. By emphasizing and measuring the interpersonal skill, Hana Mendispa aim to create a harmonious work environment that encourage the positive relationship among the employees. Next is performance appraisal method. For the performance appraisal method, the suitable method used for Hana Mendispa is 316-degree feedback. 316-degree feedback is a comprehensive appraisal method that collects feedback from multiple sources in the employee work environment. Peer, subordinate, supervisor, and external stakeholder provide feedback to evaluate performance from different perspectives. Benefit of using 316-degree feedback at Hana Medispa Utara, including the assessing teamwork and collaboration skill, gathering customer feedback for service, improvement, incorporating supervisor insight for performance evaluation, and fostering a culture of the continuous learning and improvement. This method enhance employee develop by identifying area for improvement and creating individualized training plan. By implement 360-degree feedback, Hana Medispa Utara promote collaboration, customer satisfaction, performer accountability, and positive work environment.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Balkis binti Muhammad Mazhar. My metric number is 285234. This is Employee Performance Appraisal Form for Hanan Medispa. At above, we have name, employee ID number, job title, department, type of appraisal, yearly special appraisal period, and this form must be written to the Department of Human Resources by when. Next is conclusion. In conclusion, every organization that is established has its own goal. The same is true of the Hanan Medispa company, which has its own organizational goals. To achieve organizational goals, every company must focus on having a vision, mission, job description, job specification, and performance appraisal system. This is because the organizational vision and mission of a company like Hana Medispa are very important to the direction of the company in the short and long term. The job description is also very important because each position in the organization needs to be established so that each employee can perform tasks in their own field. For the job specification in the Hanan Medispa company, it is important to choose an employee who is educated, has work experience, has skills, and has a good personality for doing a task. So, if all the components have been established in the company, then the employer also needs to perform a performance appraisal of each employee so that each employee can improve their performance in the organization over time.